Yes, go now.
So, how many picnic you have in Jamaica? Because I want to learn me know right now.
We're going to say you. So guys, you what? I am asked how many children do I have? Okay, I have 4 children. 3 boys and 1 girl.
How big is the picnic then? How old is the picnic?
My oldest child is 40.
40?
40. 4 and a
Yeah,
0. My second child is 38. My third child is 32.
Okay.
And my 4th child is 22.
And you how much?
And I am 50 now.
50 now?
Yeah,
50 enough?
50 now.
Alright, so
So that means the charm could have told my mother?
mean that no, but mean that she get good young with the first one.
Well, I would not say no to that, but even if okay, getting pregnant at an early stage doesn't mean that your life ends.
No, sorry, there is nothing
No,
wrong with that.
most young girls think so.
Yeah, but you know, me 40 year old, I remember me today, I can go back in the past and get them younger, not with.
And I think it is even better because you want to know what? My second child sent me here to France.
Yeah.
My second child sent me here. So, yes, I got pregnant early, but I don't regret it. I never one day regret this.
No, son, I can't regret that. Me not see my life out of it right now.
Exactly. So, I mean, like, okay, say I didn't have them now. I wouldn't want to have children now, or like in my 30s or 40s. I am glad that I have them from the age that I have them. I am free, single, and disengaged now. Just worrying about, all those children, I don't even care about them. You know who I care about? My grandchildren, them.
Yeah, no, that's
You know?
But
How many now?
I have 6 grandchildren, 4 granddaughters, and 2 grandsons, and I love them dearly.
Definitely.
Yeah, I love them.
Now that the purpose of life, you take the earth. The purpose of life, if you take even plants, any plants you want, the purpose of life is to reproduce.
Yeah, I mean, like,
You can get a complete life, and you can accomplish your life
that is
if
true.
you don't get life.
I don't know how you have women out there who don't have children and don't want to have children.
I mean, imagine when you reach 70 and you're alone. Oh, it must be sad.
Yeah, just imagine. You know, sometimes you can be by yourself and you're feeling so down. And a little baby can come and make your day, make you laugh, make you smile. You know, I mean, the simplest of things they do, they are so amusing sometimes and amazing too.
Man, you preach a pastor right now, because if me get the worst day of my life, I reach here, Daddy, anytime, everything done.
Hey, I'm going to tell you a little story about one of my granddaughters when she was about 6 years old. 6, yes, because she was just going to basic school. One day she came home from school and she was playing in the dirt, and I was like, stop playing in the dirt. I was at her mother's place then for some time, but because I always say that I don't live here, I only catch here for some time, so I was like, stop playing in the dirt. And she was like, she wasn't responding, but she was still playing in the dirt, so she was ignoring me. So I was like, I will beat you
You're gonna bust your
If you
ass.
don't stop playing the dirt, I'm gonna beat you. And she stand up and she look at me and she said, but grandma, you can't beat me with attitude, you know. You can't beat me. Remember, you don't live here with scotch or catch here.
Mm.
I mean, you know, and I find that so funny. I find it very funny, boy. I didn't stop laughing, you know, just the way how she said with attitude, 6 years old.
But
You know?
the youngest one had
So
the world, the strongest one.
I love my grandchildren so much. And I would love to go and see them soon.
Cut.